Okay folks, today we're going to test this 1969 Chevrolet AM/FM radio. This radio was installed in 69 Camaros, Chevelles, Novas, and full-size cars including Impala. All of them use the same model number, which is 91BFP1. These 69 radios are unique for a variety of reasons. First of all, the dial in here, the flip dial, has a green tint to the lens, as well as the lens has a green top on it, which makes the lens illuminate in a green color. That was only done in the 69 and 70 model years. 69 only has a curved rear heatsink here. This allows for dash clearance in 69 models. Also, the 69 model uses a unique connector that's on the driver's side of the radio here. Later radios used a rear connector. Finally, 69 radio is multiplex compatible. That means that this plug right here can be removed and a multiplex stereo adapter can be plugged into the radio. That'll change the radio from being a single channel mono radio, which it is now, to a 4-channel stereo radio. I'll do my best to list a multiplex adapter also. Anyway, I put these knobs on here just for the test so I could turn the dials easier. The 69 knobs are for the AM/FM mono are the same as an AM radio. So if you're switching from an AM radio, you can just use the knobs you already have. If you do need knobs, the reproductions that are available are quite nice and would be a really good way to go. Cosmetically, the radio is really nice. It's never been messed with. I call it a survivor. The plating on the top and the bottom and everywhere on the radio is real nice. The push buttons in the dial are also nice. There's a little bit of sun cracking right here by the 14, if you can see it. Hopefully you can see it right there. Anyway, but the highlights are real nice. The AM/FM flip dial works flawlessly. Everything's just really nice, and it works as good as it looks. What we're going to do is we'll start on AM here. Before we start, I should tell you, from about 10, so in between the 9 and 11 here and down, my AM reception is just really poor at my house. I live down in a valley, and those stations just don't come in very well on any radio. After we get past that, you'll see how the radio actually performs. So that is not the fault of the radio, but just where I live. Without further ado, we have it hooked up to a 12-volt battery here, the correct 10-ohm speaker, and an antenna, and we are going to test it out. So as I said, pretty weak reception down here low. We'll probably get something. So there's one station.
Earthquake or one of the countless Christ-centered.
From about here up, it should get better.
Maybe nobody will notice.
6 hours later, and they're just...
In bright
anyway,
array,
lots of stations.
the King of Glory.
Or Krill Oil, it's both. And now, it's free.
Great month of decelerating home price gains with a year over.
Anyway, really nice reception. We're going to switch over to FM now. Start all the way at the end of the dial here. Here it's loud and clear. There's no static when you adjust the volume.
Esto me dice una cosa que yo tengo, no creo en las excusas, Miguel.
Yo, Benny.
Caldos de res, pollo. Just a
I know I'd go back to you.
Oh, mujeres tan divinas. No puede ser, y más en los niños. Otro todavía más.
Hijo de Dios, el cual
Así que necesitamos tomar el tiempo.
an embassy in Rome and
Te sientes y te gusta de la manera
Booklets and manuals, signage and banners. Que se puso en
Anyway, awesome reception all the way through the dial. I'll show you the push buttons work. I have them above each individual push button right now.
Quiero darle un ejemplo.
Finally, I'll show you how to set a push button. Let's say we like this station. You just pull out on a push button, any one you want. Push back in. No matter where you go on the dial, you can go right back to where you were. Anyway, if you've been looking for a real deal, original AM/FM radios for your 69 Chevrolet, you don't need to look any further. This is a really nice original one. It's never been toyed with, just a real nice survivor radio. Don't miss it.